Okay, so it says thanks for adding the YouTube video. It's perfect. I'll log into WordPress to hide some discontinued items, but you couldn't get to the other location. Okay, so if you want to have access to the other locations, so if your website has more than one location, so for example, we have here locations. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, and as you add more locations to your business, basically what will happen is on your back end of your website, you'll have access to all the locations. So let me show you what I mean by that. So when you go here on the back end, you'll notice here it says this is the main location. If you see one with the plain website name, that's your main location, the first one. And then everything after that will have it will say the name of the location, Rockland, Antelope. So if this is Rockland, this is Antelope, then this one is going to be, let me show that to you. So we got here Roseville. So this one's going to be Roseville. So Roseville, Rockland, Antelope. So how do you get here? Let me show you. At the very top of your website, I'm going to try to scroll down and show that to you. It says My Sites right here. See it? Press this and then press Sites. And then from here you have access to all your locations. So I got Roseville, Rockland, and Antelope. So just click on Dashboard, okay? Dashboard, and it'll take you to that location. So for example, if I click on Antelope, it'll take me to that location, and I can make changes from here. So how do I make changes from here? So right here, I'm an Antelope location. This one doesn't have the online ordering set up, so we're not going to mess with that. But we do have the online ordering set up for Rockland. So how do I do that? Click on that. How do I make changes to Roseville? Click on right here. So when I click on Dashboard, every change you make here is for Roseville. Okay. Let me rename that for you. That way you know this is Roseville. So I'm going to click on Settings, General. I'm going to say Roseville location. There you go, Roseville location. I'm going to press Save Changes. Let me do that for Rockland too. That way when you log into one of these different locations, you know which one you're under. So this is Rockland here. Let's see what it says for Rockland. Okay, Rockland already says Rockland, so we're good with that. Okay, so let's take a look one more time. I'm going to make changes to Roseville. I'm going to press Dashboard, and it'll say Roseville location. Okay, perfect. So again, you just do it from here, and then you make your changes. And then one other thing you had mentioned, let me show that to you real quick. On the locations page, sorry, on the Contact Us page, now that you have more than one location, you asked us to add a map, so we did that. So basically, here's all the phone numbers, and then all the 3 locations, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this video helped you out. And if you have questions, feel free to let me know. And I'm glad you're taking advantage of the Perfect Coupons app as well. Keep me updated on that, and let me know how that's working out for you. All right. Take care. Thank you.